Okay. Yo. This is Asante Kotoko. And Omo Kono saying it tells how can they be take you off. Omo jackets we a technical team for no. I'm a man that's so very hey, Okono could have a seat. It's haven't never title. Hey, we haven't is haven't. Oh, my friend. It's why Asante Kotoko team you could drew Dubai, no.
Of course.
Omo drew Dubai, no. And it's go through arrival, formalities ni bibiano. Omo na could do one was the place, no. Was the whole console also war COVID in it's where omo do one so omo change mensa airport honum. It is all go Dubai da. Now Dubai ni airport was saying what here. And this Asante Kotoko team now omo go drew Dubai for pre-season. Kotoko team na could do Dubai for pre-season. Some lovely pictures coming out. Your board management nabaso and the board ni my idea say my try should be BBC for the place. And this is where Kotoko beda. Kotoko hotel or more than ye. Hotel most friends say Andy ona only dey we catch we can hotel ni din chair. So na go for buy. We can din chair. Hotel ni and omanya e dey man as in the rooms say the rooms in the city. Standard normally Dubai and they have beautiful hotels. Only one boy say Dubai hotels.
Nice hotels. Dubai one casano. A hoya baby I am conquer bobla. You could do holidays. If you call some koya juma na e mo ho am one pa. A hobby be expensive. A chronom we expensive.
Okay.
The beer won't be expensive.
Oh okay.
Until what yeah mono yam conquer bo blase ye kuye.
Oh okay. This is Asante Kotoko hotel team no. Okay. Yes, players to be visas near you. So say hotel never say Dubai S Hotel. Al Basha, Dubai. Then who see Kotoko for no. Okay. 2 weeks no spend it. Okay, and the hotel near 4-star. I say adjacent the Dubai Science Park, within a mile of the Dubai Butterfly Gardens. Okay, a good thing, and I like idea. Okay, but say out of the 25 players, 7 couldn't travel with the team for the pre-season. 7 no meant to be uncle. You say the visa issues. Jomba kwechi ana. Omo kwechi. Omo work visa no. Dubai visa they say we will call omo konde. Dubai visa no my last chance to do it. Okay.
We can get the whole day. Okay, 2 hours.
No, omo betin test diama. Okay, out of 7 now meant to be uncle because of visa issues, no. Razak Balora, Solomon Safu Taylor, Richmond Lamptey, Joseph Amwakun, and the Kumi Francis, Samuel Boateng, and Augustine Japan. Omo no meant to be uncle. Nenra na answer na. Yadik na answer announcing ho. Yadik announcing ho. Our social media. Of course, the new signing for Asante Kotoko. But also, Yadik the signing right no more Fantino Town. As I've known, very excited about it because of saying news say Yadik the Fantino Town. It's a Dixon Afokwa. Now, but who say I don't know. Now, or for the ABM. And I say Kotoko signs 23-year-old Dixon Afokwa. Obviously, one in the coast school 2009. It's only 23. Anyway, there was the important thing is that was signed the Asante Kotoko. Omoko pre-season. Because from Asante Kotoko, hearts of oak. So ne, officially they are launching Omo partnership. No, they are officially launching the partnership with teams here. There's TSG Hoffenheim. Hoffenheim no own an years can baby no Deadman Hop. So 7.3 billion pounds. Uskapa. Eti venue nini omasha honi bibia anche. Najibadin bekomo say omode flat screen kese projector kese abodan ho omba be bibia chechiremu e de akere wiase nyina the partnership between FC Cincinnati and TSG Hoffenheim and Accra Hearts of Oak. 3 clubs are over together to be partners in development and progress because omo nyina obi abeboabo no yonko no mo nyina akọ ani mu nti na say eno no well the Black Stars of Ghana nyame yado match na ye be run match nim pa ne ahwe enne 4 p.m. and Zimbabwe for May training na Ghana 25 into the whole seminar and so ebeba the ship dealer
the minor ways nyame adom me ho ye pa the
minor ways na say
the minor ways no ase pa ni say here ni ba bi a wo hye tokro ketua bi mo ways
ways
say enya broche ways o ye ka say minor ways a here ni ba bi o hye tokro ketua bi ewo ways
man na ways ways
okay ade bi te say ankole ahasa na mbe frɛ no say minor ways here ni ba bi o say ankole ketua bi ewo ya ye de asi kwa ho minor ways
I don't know why me
now na ya me ana
me ba mi nza nyame
ma choma me kama sem na eno man doso
ozam doso
kama sem ye de omni se de di kan ya fa sedam otumfo na nyankopon de obo ye ya de asedam na ma na wie no otumfo na nyankopon de o ye no ma nyina anya ono akankam ka onte ha
ene no kure
enti no ka kire
by his special grace
o ka kire odefo ne se kwase ya na bejo clearly nsem o se me clear di na men but na ne wura fi clear wura no na ne wura fi no kra no wura no se ne fam kra ma me na be gidi obedie enti si anhia na eye samanhia nyame na da roma ene o ba bi ti asedan kan din
okay
na tronic kan asem bi kofi o si nyansa nyina mfiti ase eni so be suro nyame
eni nyame suro
na so ye nipa na se usuro nyame a na se that means nyame wo nipa bi ye dey ema na nyame nipa o ma unie trust them na so sa ka se wona wo do nyame no ade nyina adibua won na wie won ye enti se udi kai suro nyame dia na that means udo nyame
yes odo hutu nyame so
yes enti ade nyina be di aboa wo na se wie wo ye
ena nipa betena se susu
ashyɛ
en ye
da oba wale ma dodo anya duane papa di accident papa dam to cars almost 60 cars ya nyame be boa wo pa asama me nka asem
oba wale ma dodo anya
Solomon sire nyansa no nyame ma ne di abiem o ma na ho de e ma ne ma e ma ne wiase mfaso wiase wei mfaso wo mni so o ya be ma o be pema so oni mu ameka kire wo na ba wiase ba ye dai eno ma mienu na o wiase so be fa nyame se okra na wagye nkwa na wasum nyame no kuram na wodi ahode ewiase ahode wiase japade amawo na odi bi ba ya doye na awale dodo na awo dodo because troni se mungu na ma se no le sempo anu anhia ntudu hutu nyame so a ebesiu ye na asiu kra yi o mi
hwa ade ne hutu nyame so bia no onware dodo
dabio onna wale dodo ni ama wa hode udan ye be 600 o kas ye be 350 onko anse na abetue ntu wale ma dodo no mo kas ni bia dam na nso adabim oba wie school a oba kwa primary pen no atoka ache no wo oba odi 2 weeks ana wato ni kasi ho akola ni kasi ho enti se mu die mo nhwe bai enti die me ma asa
me nkwa biensa
wo hwe nkola biensa
ati asemi bageto
only 3 only 3 se me nyankopon ada roma no otumfo na nyankopon nti se me na mbe se ya drube 59 I come last one no ma cross carpet 60 na me de 10 asoso
na 70 what was 70
na ma di 70% ka me ngo say enti na wo de wo obi a wo ni na 45 uni 45 million pounds na ba wi ase be dey
na ejobia age ozo nya huska
me na me ka kira wo so bobla pa na do hutu nya me so onya se ska no opani me so na me wo more history na nkofo bi na ni afle wo mu CTDK was a den no san nkofo no o mo ne ho amu say lesbian no say
LGBT
ada na san nkofo no pese o mde agege sembe ha o man ya nyame ahira yi say ada no pese o mu pese ya nyame twem hanso but ema so ya ni nyakopon ni manso bi atwe nyame do ya enu kwa na me kan me fancy de nkofo ndi but ehu pa dabi omu ya Sagarias kura wodwini ho unti ase
Sagarias
Sagarias
ade o mai dey
na de omu ye ye jawo mu no mu nya tokuro bi do mu hu blam Ghana blam a yawu ye ni future ma we nko man na gu nyam owura fi tro ni mu ana Sodom and Gomorrah ade we ya no mkoye ye Nyankopon hye o mesraw yesi MPs no omo be pass bill no but omo beto aba mboa ai me de akonya we me speaker no of parliament dem bi omo sole a and a secret ballot where you pay this open ballot o de akoko to ma ho mo ni ehun se constituency for ni nyina say aponche ba onko fa ponche be ma aponche ba o ko fa ponche be ma kraman ba o fa kraman be ma but nipa de o constituency for nyina say be ma mfa be ma na oba mfa oba enti mam ye no betima da ni ehun MPs now almost support to get because you know won tia se wo bia ye bi man ensuo to eja pa to ti se nsuo e wo Sodom and Gomorrah na sadie we na se MPs no kwaso so dia we enye secret ballot bi we open wo dia oba wo si me support lesbianism gayism and anti-lesbianism se goatlism kwa na support fa adia kind of life no Ujuni sanko fu we nwa onti ase abutu sema nyame ya nini ko gina kwata kwatuma so fa so be de Bible uni Nyankopon nya asem no akaso agya acha okra kofi uni mu o ubede no hu se asem ya me kan ye nyame de acha me na so mfa nche me na wu kwato na do na be hu so de acha wa na mfa nche o hwe ya fra bibi fire of life uda James akopi mu nkwa na nyina ade na nkofo pese ye to om tete ye sa yasra mu woma nyomba bi no omo de kwa omo mfa nko ahade sansensem ne de yanso so na me pempi ba ko pe yanko bo gina wa kwa kwato yes nko ba jira sa MP no ade no so dia no media we kura me speaker ne se emla we kura no ko no akọ ya o se enkofo no wo mo form documents fo ne mla ni nyina mfa nko pe mba bi ntina kura ma ekwan dia life no da bi abutu sam ne san o yom di play ase ne se be ka clown tim magana me du sika
Manze Nansay asofo sorry akese no enso Asia Pentecost Methodist Presbyterian nomne omo nyina Asia say
religious leaders no
omo say
Muslims ye nananom a tete omo ye beto omo the first time 3 bodies ni nyina agi asem ba kwatum no na asem na tan enye wo be ma de onkofa ne yonko be ma for what sense onkofo am ya madness pa
arbitrary. That's what charge arbitrary.
High Africa. Ya jiana na ya betu ya na namu na Bible ma yo. Ya na nanu na tete ya nkakran na sankofo ya na mpese mbuso om se omo amene papa. Omo papa fo am papa ko fa be man ho ne de da ya. Enko be nyem ne no yi da wo mo. Eno so dia nsamansam no. Na be hu obi pa ya na de bia mo kofi. Na no ya na afi no atiase sie wo fie nyansa na wo school nyansa no afi ni mate ase ube hu nkofo bi no professor o yeso ya professor no odi akire the freedom of worship and o musa ade ba ko bi anu kra na ma hiya me time no say ade and right to say ade and right na ya no keke ka no eno ase ni
say nipa no no an pen ho no say obese sebi mpreduasa
oni be ma koda
okay
obi nso na pen ho no akọ black store bi wa asafo nti ono nso ono an pen ho nti ka ban ya no nko so akọ bu store na ni akọ sesem no ma ono an pen ho nko eni pa ni ko jamu aso ono an pen ho adi asem kura nko fo pese om de ba gigi sa wo si wo emu o ma na pe o mo ho ana so am so ma na pe o mo ho a yate ase ani akronfo nso o mo solo mo black stores o mo ma na pe o mo ho no o mo ye o madwuma ade life no tro me say your kwan bi o ho atini wo ni pa ni so na so na wie ye yo wo wo mo kowu anya de papa esi asoso kura
e kire bi ma ne ye nananom aba bi tia sa de
Trump me penasem but ne sadie we hu nko ade on twema oda ade nonsense life no Kofi yamfa no so go to the straight to the point afeni e be show na see
I know your prelims
anya prelims
prelude
aye tribute aye tribute na me tribute one sem na me kai Kofi Master Mami come serious. Monday na we are 12 o'clock. Omampani, the excellency.
Oba Ofrem
Ofonso.
Oh, okay.
Say Ejad Nadaroma waba. No ba no nim se me wa ha.
Oba adwuma ma nya.
Oba adwuma ma.
Obetra konya na oba ha se na konya be si atra. Oni wa wadam for comedy kan interview ka.
I say one day MC interview, normal interview. Wasi na the documents bi ni normal bi wo me ho. Ntinka oba no aba abechi. And I'm saying there me the baba Flagstaff House.
Okay. You say your friend Jubilee House.
Me patch me the old one na Flagstaff House, Jubilee House, Castle is the same.
Okay. Sorry.
Enti me catch and send me the baba. Now me call me free. Say this time around the coffee. Where shadi be say gay for no lesbian for no. So I'm start here. Na plane na you hijacking wo wiem no so abapa. So mo flow passenger plane no mo careful. So that be so who said this ade no. Almost who said ade no ye titiri ni Muslims. E yo ma chiwade kese.
Aye.
Enti so almost start this ade ne pencromofon de yes you hijack plane no anya ho anko ye lesbian ni gay na ma assembly aba. No so hijacking wo wiem ho. Omunya ade no me enti say no Kofi me hwe me life here pa.
I say the hwenye.
A private jet nam de buy. Ti me see former pe na ja kokra kakra me ma me Rolls Royce ne ba ko be fa me. The convert one. 64 capacity engine. Me ma ne be fa me ne say ja kakra me di ko ra. Me drew okra no ja me drew Flagstaff House no. Asoja for street for ni na obi ani age. The dealer with the pillar, the dealer with the Zion.
The dealer with the pillar.
Scadia one so much.
The dealer with the Zion.
Scadia, who tieni, Scasebi and Quebima. Epo ebo asroche na ebi gu anwane so no. Na nsuo nso ye dai. Togum. Scadia wo obi a. Wo dibi na dibi ya do ya wo dibi hwe oyire ne wo ma no. Ene wo yire mo ne mpranfo no. Na bi ye dai. Eba, na bi ba se my hitting ground brutal. Kofi my hitting ground papa. Say there me so me checkers ni bi.
O checkers.
Me checkers organ here. Enyo de ni bi a o. 2021 V8 di omampani dem no. Me chebi. Enti me call ya na yes omampani so kwoto. Yes one in Eastern region no ba bi no. Omo friend say no so me man be 20 minutes no beba. Flagstaff House no ma be dim komo be na say hey omampani the time is a money o me nya botrem twan for 20 minutes
the time is a money hey Danny
dey be ni say
Oliver can check
me come say
no but no dey move check you hey we start
master me check us this
hey now we check
na nyankopon me check us this we rubber
where come where
check out nanim
Hilux Idibiana
Master
Hilux
where
Fortuna
where 2021 model
Fortuna the Toyota Fortuna
naka say you can biana
na odama abrante na obunkutu yida ase
ohun bi da ohun bi wo wiase
na date na the channel
the woman say me ko share my girlfriend bi we Golden Tulip for meetings bi na so person or name na osini nua ba mani onya adwuma
terrible rubber that you say
ya dey na me see one farm mobla wo wiase se ka we de bia so me topatragum ama no
and I say man telling you de mu nyama ebrewo
unua ba ho ofede anadna ba unua ba na so ame na de ne blame
any nice one
oba ne na so mpabo afata no oba de ese wukuta straight legs onai kitikiti na mpabo ahyem masa ni pa bobla o
why are there
masa nya sema ya
there but we say no Nordica na the last time we say na ogasa
masa we no nya udie na wo she ni bia o
who did it
we ni Nordica with the designer nya udie ni bia
I said me Nordica
masa wa ko bob Nordica polo bia betena ha masa o ka say ento pani the only say
o check because now so over your man penny over and I say when you stand bi say your man
what does man stand what does man stand
over stand because because be your candidate be adreba
my classmate bi na oh yeah nenso say the deal na si akoye no man so Ghana for because me disappoint you mo
but so we check ko ta obi e china na ba
mimom pa de okay ma me fa birthday bi ntwam na me nka ni pa ko bia metima kota na chikakra last week Sunday na me wo Las Vegas na ye Jonathan Wilder ne Tyson Fury ntoko yi ho
but oh
me
what not more day
Tyson Fury and to be fight about to Airbus 170 tie about to Airbus 170 na nim se ntoko bi baso Las Vegas ana me take it the whole ringside
now Tyson Fury you know
Tyson Fury and Jonathan Wilder Jonathan Wilder theater Kofi mama kama sem ne jai se no me ya who discussion na me ni promoters next year
Tyson Fury
me say Tyson Fury ni Jonathan Wilder
Jonathan Wilder
me can say John Jonathan Wilder on over London
over here
me just say oye bibini but oye obi a oborn black United Kingdom
Jonathan Wilder
me can say Johnson me can ya no want ya na
but Tyson Fury now
Tyson Fury and Jonathan Wilder omo na be kontokwa and one massa unye promoter kopel ba bi gina dia good people so no
Tyson Fury now where Duante don't
I mean can say don't me say Jonathan Wilder me can say John wo
what's the day
ya wa John and ya wa Jonathan Wilder
it I don't know say John ye dey na we
massa we no edini bom ya ntiti
where Jonathan Wilder okay me say Deontay
massa food who you promoter na
who promoter na change okay where Deontay Wilder
yes and baba ko Tyson Fury
am pa Tyson Fury am ba
na say your friend no engineer ye discussion with about
Tyson Fury
Fury no aye yam fa ne say Scotland word but Obagana ha I say
Fury
yes and he say Jose Mourinho Dino who say Portugal for no kan Jose
kan Jose
yes but spellings no ba ha Jose Mourinho
okay
who name spellings ya chiro spellings so how you
don't Tyson Fury no oba ha kan Tyson Fury
okay say Fury no aha na Fury
okay fantastic
masa mama
now Las Vegas
now you discussion with the bout and see yan so for there ade ya pen wo wiase pa ya boxing because I don't know how to ringside how who feel free some dem per ball kwatna mo kom through ho ko ball yi da form ho what ya mo kom through say me real life already alive your VIP kran ka so real life what ya mo kom through ball ni ko aspa uhunu what was say me real life and you for so asemo mo papa no kire ayi ringa bia obo number 7 ho you fancy na number 11 ho you fan say VIP ho e ka chance clear chance pa na kwa what am ko me dey ko hu say score obo ko e clear chance ball no kro mu hu amakom for no say go ko she was score and na mu finfin na share so na ko sha afi no mbebusa say
wana say
na ashana
okay
master say no be play was side problem gale no there this life mu asa
guy na idi no
master a pure poison for eye
okay ya jai be jai di
we jadi nso anka babo awo the only
I'm afraid say
enti ye koye discussion with the bout na say ja ye do amko last interview na eja unsi am mu face ama
on face ama de
me che say unsi am mu face ama
say
me che say omu faces ebai
faces so many dey by I got face off no say we jo we hu
ni ntokwa ni mu ana
face off na okay
me see faces and your face off you got the face offer che say animu a atwam mienu when your face off when your faces masa amen kama sem ni ekwenti ye wi na discuss is car obi abede okay na yanso dia boy ni say big bout say baswa eno na escafo no yanso etimi enjoy because mo here for the just say wo do anaga junction we claim ba bia utimi wram do foli krom kwa no kra antibalo no awura ho no akopo ba bia ta ye de afele because ho nya class enti no ye eduru se na obi a be kire ne private helicopter obi e ba be kire
okay do we go throw there
hwe na we nu enye America for na hwe sa ntokwa we yo Colombia ya no atwia adwa Colombia mame
adwa Colombia yes adwa Colombia our Maryland yes
Colombia your friend say Jamaica Romania
Ghana
Costa Rica Ghana be
hebi
me kwa na me Ghana ni amekwa akwa hwe bi but me kra me sheda nya Ghana ni 50-50 dual citizenship
okay
na Ghana ni bet my entire ringside Ghana ni bay and also America Las Vegas so bet my entire with the ringside this bout you take it to the cross sakura be 2 months kra ni wo why one of them come team chire okra we hotel big one be Las Vegas ni ye bout no so do be hit
ya TV
oh nyame ya do ma omu ku wi afa na mo so mo ba be
live
tie ni ye endru ho no utie ni ye America na ade ache
na ade chin
oh tie na ahano eya homache but America there na oh eya anadwo afa ni ade ba be de ba be che so won she de ni America sa unti na da bi me ka say me ka me date kire wo no so dem me cho wo say na Saturday Ghana high Saturday say na de wo say na ade ache wa na ho nso na ade asa the same date
there we say about no Saturday night Las Vegas and Sunday morning Ghana
na me catch you Sunday morning
at the same time omo bono ni enso ehwe
omo bon na mo hwe bata ha no na ade ache ye ho na ade anche ye ho ya nwumle ya ye chele ya ho no bi a kire ni billionaire power sa about to scam dey blame o dey after baba out to obo scan ni pa be shoot
okay
be shoot to big money
okay
so they won share them who skada ti after was no na me dey Tyson Fury try me private jet ni because I support him na am dey try private jet ni na jam ko see no Maji hotel big one be am no
what a private jet go see the hotel now they say private jet no chin inside the ochi car
a private helicopter
oh okay helicopter
yeah private jet abrochire your hotel bi wo ho a your helicopter park e wo soro
yo then
helicopter park e wo soro
there back
yeah no and no you have floor rooftop helicopter park
okay helipad
and yeah helipad no e chese helicopter no break no from and ya pad who say helipad when ya pad boss Mr. Mamen Kamasi
Pato Kamasi whatever ti uzu nya call no
minya
now it's birthday bill today no
I me pacho Mamen afin my viewing Mamen fa birthday there in so belated birthday with the opening Kojo Alan Chamaten chief the birthday last
Minister of Trade and Industry
yes say you be business partners and no man in the digital
okay so
but also a dream also one of the big dream say wa black Tigana for nhwe no na aja any MPP for no mo nhwe no mo lead no mo to abama no beti my adwuma no
over no beti my
oh say
so ni na business
me na business but me food there me food power with the trade and you want it there or one of the superb and the man can amboa okuta knowledge to knowledge and yes na grow
as one can tell you
knowledge ya there knowledge ya there what you da utrim knowledge
oh nim there
papa and afen so we have to confuse you anytime
but
obetima se so aduna blebia confuse obetima se so aduna blebia confuse now just na obetima confuse you this year
obetia convincing
massa nya convincing
okay
convincing near London for kasa how can confuse obi atiase now me kan enya no
na so you obi a do beti wase a obi a o obetia cheche wade am atiase
yes
onim there
o ye unifier
okay ni pabom
sa pepepe and after so a God fearing person
osuro nyame
sa pepepe and after so a wisest in pace
why does it big of just
I own India osoro
Olivia
yes.
Olivia also.
Yes.
Why is this in pace?
Na pace here.
Pace is when you say a Latin America. If you have pace, as you are quick.
And we have pace in football or an answer will be 100 meters. And we have pace.
Pace.
Yes. And
the pace.
We have wisest in pace.
Wisest in pace.
Yes.
The wisest in pace doesn't need you
also.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
And we been used to the course.
Okay.
So kaya.
Okay. It's a say over supporting the candidacy.
No na. I suppose the pace me supporting.
What is coming to each man?
Skadi oda onda. Me na me catch you.
So na go to
65 converts in Rolls Royce. 65 pen and me the beba.
Oh, the Rolls Royce 65.
Yes, and ebuano. 3 million Lamborghini. 3 million Lamborghini. Ye be yin whatever abo. Ye yin wo be.
Na ship be na remember.
What year?
Wow, ship be.
Master ship will be betima for 6 million.
Hey.
I hear what you need. Sadam Becker say me kuta 40 living rooms. You see, hey, and then you will be the Azwa Bower Wanum. Who will be the Azwa Bower Wanum?
Andy Wibra, Umandi Bra. And I'm a Kaiser, Mebuka in there who
yes, me can say, I say we used to 4 flash curve TVs. Ewo, o kitchen, o Bower Num, some bois, me bois.
Aye.
Where the answer in a kitchen hall. Ni swimming pool ni jacuzzi o jali essay. Ya ka se hia na unim hia o se aboa. Hia fo asem e mo bo wiase. Mi swai dani hia. Mi swai wiase dani hia.
Where's your hand? Me pacho. Where's your hand?
Me pacho we godi tulip na. Omo workers ba ko ho. Mi wura ho na. Akwa no hwe ni situation ni na de ade a otimu se. Oye blefo ba no no so ble. Se krom ade se wo hia ni a ede ya se o papa ye hia ni a ede ya
dollar na o kan you
na dia na
hey Oliver can you say
na me dia na me die
hey
dia na me die
ana so bu ko so ye dasi
se dia na me di masa ni pa bobla o $1,000 waje ko aha o na akwose sare anko awie wa bla bo $1,000. Yeah, one o'clock. I na been so obeja adwuma no. Me dey share ni nsema no e na adwuma we. Che, o si ni pay nya.
Hey, ship dealer.
That be masa, enipa bobla. Enipa ya bobla.
Na I say well, I said your kan no enyo ma konso on to kwa no ya adwen. O say o stress account to be join it. Odu sika tai yi na chi akana di beje pa. Otai Alan company chief ever the Chief Alan
now ni mana
Chief Alan
yes school time chief and your friend is
also in the good school only the good school
joint school but they the same school joint
okay well video where that Facebook live in say Asanteman Moko Asanteman
me patch
only Sadiqa of the sports Obama any company CID na minimum to my last thousand to my doctor be every
me patcho di omni say omo problem ha me omo ble onsuo ho na say omo ko school ho no ko two boreholes mo na omo nso no gabani kutreyam e no matimi di atu enti ese me pe kwan bi so me etimi e dia finance wo mo master ma me kama sem serious dey jade o cheche no ese me pe kwan bi me fa so me dey be finance wo mo because he is my friend
that also two borehole
my school no
mama also
all students
omini gabre
na bi wo ho anko tu anko fly me
okay
omo krom yes omo ko 2-1
I told the Sadiqa of the sports Obama
omo yes omo ko 2-1 me call am say no one who here school you problem pa baby omo won kra no se dede wo ho station race course fitafo say just omo ni asumde kra pra ne kra entimi nya makra concentrate entima promise omo say me next trip am ikoi say me ba me plan omo machine bia ebetima chi noise ni nyina ewuma school wo me catch masa me fans me nam catch station na tamale na galu na ye dede kwa ye noise akula ni timi tua de ye pega na da chi o coffee mensre e dia life no basa enti e kwankura be fa so a ye be boa santeman so no because dede no and omu students no so ye mle wo scam all students no ntu ya no ma flow What I want to say them sini kwa mpoku si aditi ya. Oh flame ya mintimi nkase emwani ho. Ese mwaba ho. Mi go ne ofa o ye TV seller madam for pa no. What I say ndi o flame ya amintimi entwe na no fom. So mu ka se nkom ko 2-1. Me kwa nam to know one day a pivot. Monya ne 10 ma school no.
I just who to 10 among.
Me to do.
Now as the machine abechi you know.
And the noise na e confusion kwala no a o take classrooms na entimi mo concentrating tro no asi no. Wa santiman bia wo from 2 say here bia no. Mane nyo de pa. Next year wo tro wasi a wo be tro no fine. Unti garu bope bia wo school mo biem. No be pipe body o race course wo de there e ba wo no. Afita fo no so Muhammad no. Chai ade better na crowd concentration dey sua dey. So baby an go school na dey wo honti. Hwe abroche dey anti sa o. Wo di dey bus school. We kura no. Nya se ma me nkope enkokoko mo baby entobe 6 million ekes ma school yi. Na me sisi building mu. Sa santime betima go sinu nkoko. Dabi me chese baby I did not buy kro no aben krom.
Move school akọ.
Na say school betima kon nkoko na school bi ni nkoko.
But just to school as it.
And very simple.
Okay, yo.
Na ha no ye the ama station no na nko mo yeso adwuma.
And so share Sadiq Adams smart to buy me dey near. Oh here fine.
Oh no. As soon as so. Now, what they all pass each as the pay. The jacket in the body. Must have to my voice to be answered. Bloody, as at my voice to be answered. Kofi, as at my voice to be answered.
Okay.
Ni jacket.
And a body moon.
That way and jam. Oh, Kofi, Dabi. I did one.
That's the last one.
Kofi, dear one year, Matotimbi, Matotim, Manton Obabia, Ton Wagana Haya, Nenra Makolabi. Yeah, I'm afraid I met a ten with the CEO. Now, my children said you see a football. Yes, so better have a Casapi, a Black Crow Wamumidi, Al Jazeera football team, and we tin a man Bahanefi.
Ah, okay.
And we tin a man Bahane. But in Kwalami and San ko Canada. And you may no ma cross wa for West America. Na se ma question bout e china no papa e Las Vegas. Ubenya sa trip we bi we wiase da. En Kwala no ma change wo destiny.
Na we ni.
Ade
Ucha picture na okutukutu.
Hey, na ucha picture ankutu na go we scam fata wana. Ukutu na bia flato. Mumu ya na enkola na fa. Sa de ya no. Pictures no sa na ya no. Oliver say unim dia talk from. You deleting with the camera. O ma delete every ho. Akwala fe sky so be mo hu. Masa mo boss we kura sky free turn off obe mo hu.
Why?
Na hwan anya wo.
Oliver, me gwa o.
Oh, masa. Me kan no want ho.
Okay.
Wo sha nkule mu wo mu be konsuo kura sa aguso. Masa. Wo de uni mu a uni ye die kwan wa papa. Obi e boss kadi na age ni ya na misu o mi mu.
Nana say one Saudi Arabia for no to Newcastle. Uni momo. Event say Sheikh bin Salman.
Minimum but omo me no omo twa business match. Say those days am no omo ye business no. Na be Enzama no so ketekra no 16 years of age. 20 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Na me ni papa na edu.
So 36 years.
Just so me age ni say who so 36 years. Who internet na ko yi me ba bibi da anim.
That's to be under me.
Wa ko hwe no internet aba be ya be gina enti kam ka so.
Ah, tu nim no.
Me see no your child no so akura ketekete 16 years no so akura ya kwa no ne papa kutepita ne nsa me say nice boy ne ya say ye hira no skani di ne nsa to so a no hira wo so ni mu a wo skani adam for papa be na ho
so oh
me di anyima adam fu ni wo ko fi me ka tro de bi anyima adam fu ni wo so agro me eno na ma sie sani steps ya na mfele pa
so
yo o class ni udimi na
mate
eno 9 crowd be si form uni masika for nante kula nante
so we just skinny man and just
Dabi we a lazy printer with the breeder pa
I just say
here ni mu moblo
me masem na
na you asem na make am na wo bi ase say asem kula me sere ne say what is that there Ghana hamani jeje emema ne dan no there say the open say we say o complete we azan wa wale and you obeche o what's the magic emema dan
da we don't got that them
oh ada ya kwa yi na ka che me
I say the would me come baby
me no ko he fa baby
na na say we them ka che o
wona wo say come do na say me ko na me fa ko lunch
e do me go lunch
na wo me fa ko lunch masa urade na nyankopon Kofi and they better your listeners as a pa.
Okay, yes, yeah, that was.
What you only say?
Yeah, that was. But they say somehow careful and some magic across the crowd. Seriously, I will very much love to see the next election. Say, even John Dramani Mahama, Alan Chevati. I love to see it. Say Chief Alan, any John. That would be a key competition. Any
question, I give you correct answer.
Say charity begins at home. When I'm about now checkers, Jackie Kai you are down for new. You so down for part.
Any pabia soon about who in your scar on Sheffield. Me a type of person. Me a about things where you are. That be me go with you say. Me go with you. Why the
we just go with you.
Me go with you any day.
Okay.
Me ya papa wa bonting.
You.
Na have for them mo be di what to say.
Anyway,
Kofi na sa race no. A key race papa. Say ye konya John Dramani Mahama, the former president, near Sakwakonya, Obiti said, Chief Alan, Chief Alan John Kwajo Chematin. The full name, no.
Oh, sorry for the John.
I need John.
Meaning that.
Yeah, Chief D. John. Masa, no, the woman say, the ama me support no kakra ne say. Kofi Ghana for abondia chepa. Ghana for abondia chepa. And we are purely big time educated. Ana ya kasa ehumobra. Ewiase nyina the whole world so we me and you know. Ehumobra pa.
Okay.
Enti Kofi.
Well,
me pacho mamoni for 2 bi.
Uya make us amends once in biache achos.
Okay. Ya money for 2 pedi. Kofi meda omampani ase ne na pamfo se asem bia me ba betena me ka bia no e ade omutie
okay.
Kofi Kwame Kama collect for 98 points.
Yeah.
98.
Oje collect.
Enya se collect seje.
Na se collect neje.
Enya collect.
Huh?
I say me say collect. Aye.
Is that correct?
I say collect. So mampania job to nya correct.
I'm saying correct.
Correct. COTI. Oh, master. Nanya CO.
CO there. And correct into RR. DCT.
School nye.
Correct.
Master, mami kama sem.
Ye go di
Omampani bo. Nipa me no ade bia me betina me come mo asem omampani bo mu din.
Kwampoku CID.
Ono de no incumbent, on the no challenger.
Okay.
Because ono no we mafia to mafia so.
Okay. And Kwame Kama.
Hey! Dangerous Kwame Kama. Ono ka che me say o lecture hall. Ye lecture na ye lecture no. Me cha say ye lecture no.
Ye lecture.
Oh lecture hall ye lecture no.
Okay.
Ano say ne lecture no obobodian afeduru ne so a o si dangerous Kwame Kama. Ano so be say hey na say me there so mo e there mo say an e be from o mo nya teacher for. It's a lecture with the teacher. And your friend say ano say na me there adey.
Okay.
Ano say oh me tatie opening kese bia o ye one of the billionaire in the world. Now see you dangerous can ho. Na say yes. It's me, it's a key. And you better do mampani ase ne abosa mampani fo ne mienu aba so. na me dey I foot am dey more man say omo ba no omo be boy adwuma Kwame Kama dey nyame adom ya endorse no
ya endorse no
say in just ya endorse no wabam
ya gina tum
so wabam
any endorse
endorse
okay
na
Kwame Kama ya
endorse Kwame Kama dey ya nya endorse no ya to ne so aba na wie ama nanya 98% but yenya
ensuen in swear nyamai
obon umom no abon ya indosu ni in swear in nyina nya the same thing
ya de kra
ana mpacho kwampoku si ade there on there
ya indosu
no aka Kwame Kama endorsement
okay
near swear in
all right train me go Dr. Losia say me go Dr. Losia say ai minim say o ne we be ka betika ne ho for ni ya
we dey King Zulu me pacho o flada ho mase but on me get bi na wo UK so dem me chono but o ya da ho mase aboafo hene ya ka so bi aboafo hene o ti ase who say obetima aboawo no asese wa blabo
ababo ne nye
na wo wa blabo di 22 fi say eya no
e ga se me ganjo so mo be so mini dey
why me e ga no so mo o ko hu mo he
o say ya ti bia o bia nya hiro
oh masa efia me ma ye papa wa ha ne fia dia me dia ma be papa wa ha me ya na bonten ma gidi mpa me ya na bonten ma gidi mpa bla yo ko go odin to ulipu obi oti obi a dia wo anya kura $500 oh she do lan come show come aha obe boarding wi bi kura oh Oliver kan $500 pen o de ma me mo betra ha sa me komakumo am tete ha no
e da se dog bogo de
chawo ya ya do
Oliver kan V ne anti vida nyina se mencha omomo na
anti vilda yan kan view anti vilda any view me can say view sana oba totally English man sana kano
oh okay yo
I responded say me so meji wa mo so
yo